Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about creating a Kali Live Forensics Mode virtual machine using VirtualBox. In Live Forensics Mode, the Kali operating system does not mount the suspect's hard drives. Thereby, Kali does not write or leave any metadata or changes to the host system. Be sure to review the lab file in its entirety before you begin this lab. The requirements for this lab are you must have an install of VirtualBox with the extension pack. Currently I am using the latest version of VirtualBox with the extension pack. The second thing you will need is to download the live boot ISO image from the Kali distribution site. The link for this download site is provided for you within the lab file. Make sure you download the correct version of the live boot ISO image for your particular hardware situation. My operating system is running on 64-bit hardware. I'm therefore going to download the live boot image for 64-bit. I'm also going to use the direct download method, as I've had problems in the past with using torrents. Once you have met these two conditions, you are ready to begin the lab. To begin the lab, I've launched my VirtualBox Management Console. Let's go up here to Group, and I'm going to select New Virtual Machine. Where it says Name, give your new virtual machine a user-friendly name. I've called mine Kali Live Forensics Mode. I've also chosen where to save the virtual machine. Underneath here where it says Type, pull down the window, select Linux. Where it says Version, pull that window down and select Oracle 64-bit. You're going to create a virtual hard disk now, and you can leave the memory at its default size. Go ahead and click on the Create button. On this next window, go ahead and accept the defaults. Go ahead and click on Create. From the left window pane of our VirtualBox Management Console, find your new virtual machine. Mine is entitled Kali Live Forensics Mode. I'm just going to go ahead and double click it to start the virtual machine. Once the virtual machine starts up, we have to point it to the download of our Kali Live CD. Let's go ahead and click on the browser icon, and we're going to click on Add. From here, we're going to browse on over to the download location where we saved our Kali Live CD image. Once I find that image, I'm just going to go ahead and double click it. I'm then going to click on the Choose button, and now I can click Start. Once the live CD does start up, you're going to have to use your down arrow and select Live System AMD 64 Forensics Mode. And that is going to put you into the desktop with all the forensics tools that you need to conduct a forensic examination of a client's machine without modifying the metadata or leaving any trace of any other information behind. Go ahead and hit Enter. Once your Kali Forensics Mode virtual machine has booted up, this is going to be your working desktop. Now I still have a couple more things to show you, so let's go ahead and shut down gracefully using the shutdown button over here in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that, and from the menu select Shut Down. If the shutdown hangs, just press Enter or just power it off. Now we're going to go ahead and start it up one more time, and let's see what happens. So I'm going to double click my virtual machine for my Kali Live Forensics Mode, and again it's going to start up, but this time it's not going to find that ISO image. So we're going to have to go to Devices, Optical Drives, and from the context menu give it the Kali Linux Live ISO image. Just go ahead and double click it. Now you're going to have to go over here to where it says Machine, and you're going to have to do a reset. And once you click on Reset, the machine will automatically restart, and this time it's going to find that ISO image for the Kali Live CD. Again, you're going to have to use your down arrow, and you're going to have to select the Live System Forensics Mode. Once you've done that, just press Enter, and the installation will start one more time. And so that concludes this short video presentation on how we go about creating a Kali live forensics mode virtual machine using VirtualBox. I'm Professor K. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.